लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે પ્રોબેબિલિટી એનો ટાઈપ 1 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ ટાઈપ 2 એડિશનલ રૂલ ઓફ પ્રોબેબિલિટી, સંભાવનાનો સરવાળાનો નિયમ. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ આપણે રૂલ જોશું. ફર્સ્ટ, there are for two events, additional rule for two events. Not mutually exclusive events. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersect B. For mutually exclusive event, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B. For three events, for non-mutually exclusive event, P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersect B minus P of B intersect C minus P of A intersect C plus P of A intersect B intersect C. For mutually exclusive event, P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C. Third, for mutually exclusive and exclusive events, A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B is equal to 1. P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equal to 1. Fourth, at least in 2 or 3 events, જ્યારે સમમાં એટલીસ્ટ આપેલું હોય અને બે ઇવેન્ટ્સ આપેલી હોય ત્યારે P of A union B, અને જ્યારે સમમાં 3 ઇવેન્ટ્સ આપેલી હોય અને એટલીસ્ટ આપેલું હોય ત્યારે P of A union B union C થશે. એ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે. ફિફ્થ, OR means multiplication, OR means submission, addition, AND means multiplication. So these are the notes. Now first example of type 2, a construction company is bidding for 2 contracts. This is bidding for 2 contracts A and B. The probability that the company will get contract is 3/5. Company will get contract A. B is 1/3. Find the company will get both the contract is 1/8. Find the probability that company will get contract A or B. OR means union, AND means intersect. Here P of A get contract A, probability of get contract A is 3/5. P of B, probability of get contract B is 1/3. Probability of get both the contract, that is A and B, and means union. P of A and B, get contract A and B both, that is 1/8. We have to find out probability of get contract A or B. Or means union. P of A union B, get contract A or B. We have to find out. Now we know that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersect B. P of A 3/5, P of B 1/3, P of A intersect B 1/8. Take 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3, 120 as a LCM. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8, 72, plus 1 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8, that is 24. Sorry, 5 multiplied by 8, 40. 5 multiplied by 8, 40. Minus, લસા લઈએ છીએ આપણે, 5 multiplied by 3, that is 15 multiplied by 1, 15. So 72 plus 40 minus 50, 97. 97 by 120. This is your first answer, 97 by 120. Next, example number 2. If the probability that job applicant has BCom degree is 0.3, he has work experience is 0.7, he has both is 0.2, out of 300 applicant, approximate what number would have either a BCom degree or work experience. Okay. Say for example, P of A is equal to probability of have BCom degree is 0.3, P of B, probability of have work experience 0.7, both means BCom degree and work experience, and means intersect. P of A intersect B, probability of BCom degree and work experience, that is both, is 0.2. There are total 300 applicant. We have to find out either have BCom degree or work experience. Or means union. Probability of BCom degree or work experience. So P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersect B. P of A is equal to 0.3, P of B is equal to 0.7 minus 0.2. So 1 minus 0.2, 0.8. This is P of A union B. Now number of applicant. Number is equal to probability multiplied by n. So probability is 0.8. There are total 300 applicant. 300 multiplied by 0.8, that is 240. This is your answer. There are 240 applicants having either BCom degree or work experience. Next, example number 3. The probability that contractor will get a pumping contract is 2 by 3. Probability he will not get electric contract is 1 by 5. If the probability of getting at least one contract is 4 by 5, what is probability that he will get both the contracts? So P of A get pumping contract, two by 3. P of B dash not get, this is very important, not get electric contract. Here not get electric contract. पूरक घटना complementary event P of B dash 5 by 9. So P of B is equal to 1 minus P of B dash. 1 minus 5 by 9, 9 minus 5, that is 4 by 9. Probability of getting at least one contract out of two events, જ્યારે at least આપેલું હોય ત્યારે યુનિયન થશે એવું આપણે નોટમાં જોયું સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં टाइप चालू करती वक्त. So P of A union B, that is at least one contract, is 4 by 5. We have to find out probability of getting both contract. Both means A and B both, pumping and electricity both. So P of A intersect B is equal to both A and B, that is 4 by, that is we have to find out. So P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersect B. A union B 4 by 5, P of A 2 by 3, P of B 4 by 9 minus P of A intersect B. P of A intersect B minus છે, સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો પ્લસ થશે. 2 by 3 4 by 9, 4 by 5 આ સાઈડ આવશે તો માઇનસ થશે. 9 multiplied by 5, 45 LCM લેશું. 45 3, 45 divided by 3 એટલે ઉપર નીચે અંશમાં ને છેદમાં 15 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવા પડશે. 15 multiplied by 2 30, 45 divided by 9. સો અંશમાં અને છેદમાં ન્યુમરેટર અને ડિનોમિનેટર બેમાં 5 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવા પડશે. 5 multiplied by 4 20, 9 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવા પડશે. 9 multiplied by 4 9 ચોક 36, 30 plus 20 50 minus 36, 14 divided by 45. This is P of A intersect B. This is your answer. P of A intersect B 14 divided by 45. Next, example number 4. An investment consultant predict that the ad against, this is against, the price of XYZ, stock of XYZ will go up during next week is 2:1, and the odd in favor of price remains same are 1:3. What is the probability that price of stock will go down? Here against, this is favor. Against means complementary event. P of A dash is equal to against price will go up. 2:1. So 2/3. So P of A is equal to 1 minus P of A dash, 1 minus 2/3, that is 1/3. P of B, here favor is given, so price remains same. P of B is equal to price remains same is equal to 1:3, so 1/4. What is the probability that the price of stock will go down? So price up પણ નહીં જાય, price same પણ નહીં રહે, that means price down થશે. price down ક્યારે થાય? price will go down, that means not go up or not remain same. So end. અપ પણ નહીં જાય અને ડાઉન સેમ પણ નહીં રહે, that means not go up, that means P of A dash. End means intersect. Go down, remain, don't remain same. So P of B dash is equal to 3/4. So P of A dash multiplied by P of B dash. P of A dash is equal to 2/3. P of B dash is equal to 3/4. So 1/2. Price remains same. What is the probability price of the stock will go down? Go down, that means not go up, not remain same. P of A dash multiplied by P of B dash, 3/4. Okay, 1/2. This is your answer. Next, example number 5. The present age of person A is 40. The odd in favor of living up to the age of 65 is 3:2. The age of another person B is 45 at present. The odd against his living up to age 70 is 4:1. Find probability that at least one of them will alive after 25 years. So P of A, here favor is given, living up to 65, that is 3:5. P of B dash, because here against is given, not living, that is 4:5. So P of B is equal to 1 divided by 5. At least one, so at least means union. P of A union B we have to find out. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersect B. P of A 3/5, P of B 1/5, A intersect B 3/5 multiplied by 1/5, because these two are independent event. Person A लिविंग रही है, एनी कोई डिपेंडेंसी पर्सन बी ऊपर नहीं, सो ए एंड बी आर इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट. सो 1/5 3/5 multiplied by 1/5, 3/5 plus 1/5 minus 3/25. Take 25 as a LCM. So 5 multiplied by 3, 15, 5 multiplied by 1, 5 minus 3, 20 minus 3, that is 17 by 25. This is your answer, 17 by 25. Next, example number 6. A card is drawn at a random from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a club or queen. P of A is equal to આપણે assume કરશું club card. So there are total 13 club card. Out of 13, one will be selected, 13C1, 30. Total there are 52 cards. Out of 52, one will be selected, 13 by 52. So P of B, a queen. There are total 4 queen in 52 cards. Out of 4 queen, one will be selected. Total 52 card, એમાંથી 1 select થશે, 4 by 52. P of A intersect B, club, queen. There are only 1 club king in 52 cards. So out of 1, 1 will be selected. Total 52 cards, 52C1, 1 by 52. We have to find out club or queen. Club or queen, that is A union B. Or means union. So P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersect B. 13 by 52, 4 by 52, 1 by 52. Take 52 as LCM. 13 plus 4 minus 1. 13 plus 4 minus 1, that is 16 by 52. 16 by 2, 52 by 4, that is 13. 16 by 4, that is 4. 4 by 13 is your answer. 4 by 13. Next, example number 7. 2 die are thrown simultaneously. Find probability that sum of number is divisible by 4 or 3. Sum of number divisible by 4 or 3. So there are 2 cubic dice. So result 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Now total 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. First, total is divisible by 4. P of A, total is divisible by 4. So 4 વડે ડિવાઇડ થાય એવા ટોટલ, that is 4, 8 and 12. 4, 8, 12. 4, there are 3 results. 8 there are 1 2 3 4 5 result, 12 there are 1 result, total 5 plus 4 that is 9 result are there. So total divisible by 4 that are 9 result out of 36 results. So P of A is equal to 9 by 36. P of B, total is divisible by 3. Total is divisible by 3. So 3 વડે કોણ ડિવાઇડ થઈ શકે? તો કે 3 6 9 12. So 3 વડે ડિવાઇડ થાય એવા ટોટલ 2, 6 વડે ડિવાઇડ થઈ શકે એવા ટોટલ 1 2 3 4 5. 5 total which are divisible by 3. 9 1 2 3 4. 4 total, these are total 9 and 12 1. Total 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 12 result. Out of 36 12 result are divisible by 3. P of A dash A intersect B, divisible by both. A and B, that is 3 and 4, that is and means multiplication, divisible by 12. बराबर 3 4s are 12 એવા result છે 1 out of 36. P of A union B, divisible by 3 or 4. So P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersect B. P of A 9 by 36, P of B 12 by 36, intersect B 1 by 36. 9 plus 12 that is 21 minus 1 that is 20. 20 by 36 is equal to 5 by 9. This is your answer, 5 by 9. Next example number 8. In a Rajkot city, 65% can read Gujarati, 36% can read Hindi, 70% cannot read English, 18% can read Gujarati and Hindi, 17% can read Gujarati and English, 13% can read Hindi and English. Percentage can read all the 3 languages. Find the probability that a person selected random at least read one of 3 languages. How many percentage? There are 3% that can read all the 3 languages. So P of A is equal to Gujarati, 36% that is 0.36. P of B can read Hindi, that is Gujarati 0.65, Hindi 0.36. P of C read English, cannot read આપેલું છે આપણે, P of C dash આપેલા છે 0.70. So P of C is equal to થશે 0.30. 1 minus 0.70 that is 0.30. Next, Gujarati and Hindi, A intersect B 0.18. Gujarati and English, that is P of A intersect C 0.17. Hindi and English, that is B intersect C 0.30. all the three languages, that is Hindi, Gujarati and English. Hindi, Gujarati and English, that is 3%. Here this is 3%. So P of A intersect B intersect C, all the three languages, that is 3%, 0.03. Here three events are given. So P of at least means A union B union C. So P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersect B minus P of A intersect C minus P of B intersect C plus P of A intersect B intersect C. So P of A 0.65, P of B 0.36, P of C 0.30, A intersect B 0.80, B intersect C 0.70, B intersect A intersect C 0.17, B intersect C 0.30, A intersect B intersect C 0.003. So 0.65 plus 0.36, 0.30 minus 0.18 minus 0.17 minus 0.13 plus this is 0.5. 5% can read all the three entries. So plus 0.05, that is 0.88. This is your answer. Next question we will start in our next session. Thank you.